Andrew from Berrima Diesel. Got a V8 200 series with, of course, the bull bar blocking the air that the intercooler gets its air from. So it's getting a couple of the fan upgrades. Oh, that's right, they don't work if you listen to YouTube. Well, we've been doing this for a long time. We know it works. We don't need to explain why. We've shown it enough. What we're talking about here at the moment is diesel fuel filters. And as we can see here, we've got a little arrow going out. But the arrow loops around and goes to another filter and then on down to the injection pump. So this has had a post filter fitted, which in diesel sense is just wrong. Might work well in petrols, but in diesels, no. You already have a really good fuel filter, and if it's genuine, it's supplied by the company that sends the injectors to a Toyota, and that's Denso. It's even partly owned or fully owned by Toyota. So they definitely know what they're doing when it comes down to filtration. They've got restriction sensors on here. They've got water sensors. They've got everything on there looking after your vehicle, which is pretty surprising because a lot of manufacturers don't. So they do a really good job with this. But putting a filter after that means none of those sensors can see what the other filter's doing, and there's just no plain need. When you look at the real diesel scene, which is earth-moving agriculture, and particularly for water retention and separation, marine scene, everything's a layer of pre-filters and then working their way eventually to the main filter. So don't be conned or fooled by it. Make sure your diesel pre-filter is a pre-filter, not a post-filter. You can see more of these videos. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or look us up at berrimadiesel.com. You can find out what the diesel family is up to when looking after diesels.